Okay. The first thing that they asked you to do is to save the file as X410 sales comparison. And then you're supposed to enter your name, and to enter the date in the format month, day, and year. And we said we use a function today, so that will make it month, day, and year. And you need like to make it left aligned so that everything is underneath each other. They want you to set the color of cell A1 and A2 to blue. A1 should be 26, so you can right click and change it to 26. And instead of Calibri, they wanted New Times Roman. And then the cell in A2 should be 10. So again, right click, set it to 10. And they want it to be italicized. And then they want to change the color of the word comp to red. So it is this way. Now in range A4 to A6, set the font color to white. And the fill color to blue. And then B4 to B6, you want the fill color to be white. And then in A4 to A6, you want to add border lines around all of the cells. Then in cell B5, display the date with the long date format and left align. So now see here it says date, so you can go ahead and change the format into long date. Left align it with the cell. Now they want to insert a background image for the whole sheet. So under page layout, you will go and choose background, and you will locate the picture that you downloaded from Blackboard. Now, I've already formatted these two cells, A1 and A2, and they're repeated on every single sheet. So I'm gonna highlight these two, and under Home, I'm gonna click on Format Painter, and that's a tool that allows me to copy the format to other cells. So I'll go under Model Comparison, and I will highlight again A1 and A2. That will change the formatting. Same thing again, so copy it, then go to monthly sales and apply. The only thing that did not apply was the change in color of the comp. So I'm going to choose comp, the word comp, and set it to red. We're going back to model comparison, and in cells E6 and E17 we want to enter the word increase. We want to enter formulas to calculate the increase in units sold from 2011 to 2012. So that would be equal to whatever we sold in 2012 minus what we sold in 2011. So again, the formula is equal to, and I click inside of the cell that has the units sold for 2012, put the subtraction sign, and then click inside of the cell that has the units sold for 2011. Now, if I want to copy this formula and apply it, I'm going to hit Control C, and then I will highlight all of these cells, and then hit Control only and highlight the rest of the cells. Since they are not adjacent, I need to use the Control only, and then hit Control V to paste the formula. So one more time. The increase is equal to units sold in 2012 minus units sold in 2011. Once I calculated it for one cell, I'm going to hit Control C. C like copy. Control C means copy. And then I will select the cells where I want to paste the formula. So these are the cells. And then I need to hit the Control key and select the rest of the cells. And then Control V to paste. Another way to do it is, again, equal to units sold in 2012 minus the units sold in 2011. Once I have it for one cell, I'm going to drag it down. And then copy it, Control C, and then come here and paste it, Control V, and then drag it down. So both are fine. So that's the increase. Then you are asked to calculate the percent increase. So here would be percent increase. Now, the percent increase, the formula for percent increase is equal to the increase over the original value. So, equal to the increase divided by original value is 2011. That was, I started with 2011. I hit enter. But it shows as a decimal. and I want to show it as a percentage. So all you have to do is just click on the percentage style at the top, and it displays it at 7%. Again, you want to hit Control C and then select the cells, hit Control, select the rest of the cells, and then hit Control V to paste. So remember, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. In cells B15 to B26, enter the total. Now we want to find the total of the units sold. So I'm going to just like click the auto sum, and it says, do you want to sum all of these numbers? And I hit enter. I'm going to drag it to the right. I'm not, yeah. Okay, I was afraid that it is same thing here, auto sum, and I hit enter, and you can do it again if you want, or drag it. If you want to show the thousands, you can put the comma right here and then remove the decimals. So in cell E15 and E26, we want to calculate the total increase in sales. So again, this time I'm going to use sum, and I will highlight the cells. So remember, equal to sum. So all of these methods are the same. Either you click on auto sum or you write it yourself. Sum, open the parentheses, and then highlight the cells. Now we want to find the percent increase for this year. So that would be, remember, the percent increase is equal to the increase divided by the original value. So that's 4%. Let's look at the 6 4 10. It's equal to the increase divided by the original value. So we have a 75% for the second one. Okay. They want us to merge and center the ranges from A6 to A15. Merge and center means make all of this one cell. So see here, there is merge and center. That will make the 310 be right there. And then they want to center the text vertically. So here you can see you can middle align it and then they want to change the orientation to vertical text. Becomes like text 6310. Now we want to center the text for C6 to F6. And then the labels in B7 to B14, we want to indent them. So see here, we can increase the indentation. So they want to indent them just one character. And then C7 to E15. You want to format them as in a number format using 1000 separator with no decimal point. So remember, add the 1000, but because these are units, it makes no sense to have the decimal, so you want to decrease the decimal. And the negative numbers, we want them to be displayed with a minus sign, not with the parentheses. All of these are, this is a negative 124, this is a negative 249. So I want to make sure that the number if I format it as a number, then these are displayed with a minus sign. And then in F17, F15, format the numbers in a percentage format with 2 decimal places. So they are already percentage, but I need to increase the decimal too. Now I've done it to the upper part. I want to repeat that same thing to the lower part of the table. I don't have to repeat the whole process again. All I have to do is just like select that section, click on Format Painter, and then apply it to the lower part. And watch. Everything has been formatted the same way. The vertical text, the merging of the cells, indentation, adding the units, and then increasing the percentage with 2 decimals. We actually have changed this to be no decimals. So again, I'm gonna click on Format Painter and apply it to that part. So I'm gonna stop. This is where we stopped in the first lab.